Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to another trading session with the In the Zone Trader. How's everybody doing this morning? So the biggest thing we got to watch out for today is FOMC. That's at 2 o'clock Eastern. And typically, the price action that I've seen prior to FOMC on the day of is a little choppy. So I'm hoping that's not going to be the case today, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the NQ daily chart. As you can see, yesterday we broke through the downward trend line, closed right at this resistance area, and overnight we have gone up, gapped and gone up, cleared this strong level of resistance. So we are very much bullish at the moment. Let's look at the ES daily. Now the ES actually overnight tagged and made a brand new all-time high, so even more bullish than the NQ. But we are now at this resistance area on the ES. We have about 4 minutes before market opens. Trying to see what trade we're actually in at the moment. And I believe, let's work backwards, shall we? This triggered, this hit it, pulled back, then this triggered lower, this hit it, then this triggered lower, stopped out, almost hit it, and now we're in this trade lower. We're in a clear downtrend. Okay. All right. Let's see. We got 2 minutes. Good morning, Tyler. How are you? I'm glad you're ready to trade. Yeah, today is going to be interesting because we have FOMC at 2 o'clock. It's when the Fed is going to make another rate decision. And I've noticed in the past, on FOMC days, leading up to that announcement, price can be a little choppy. So I'm going to be very careful this morning. Don't want to overextend, especially in choppy waters, and just kind of wait for really good setups to materialize. Trying to draw some more levels down here before we get started. We have about a minute. Like 30 seconds at this point. Okay, the market just opened. We just hit target on that bearish trade. Did trigger higher here. Just hit the target higher. Breaking out to the upside now. I'm gonna wait for this candle. So this is a rejection off VWAP. I just don't like how cluttered we are with see, I just drew this new upward trend line right here that could act as potential support. So it's a little tight on either direction, right? So we have a bearish signal, a bullish signal, and both have things in their way. You can see this is a battle zone right now. Bulls are winning. Bulls also hit their target, so. We have another upward trend line like this. Ideally at this point I just wanted to come down to VWAP, hold, and we can take the bounce up. Do we get that look? No, we don't. So the bearish trade worked. Good morning, John. How's it going, bro? Happy to hear that. Happy you're doing well. You know what I forgot to mark is where we closed yesterday, because we potentially could fill the gap today, especially with FOMC. Move this up 1600, right around this area. Could try to take a short at 250 rather, but we already just hit the target right there. So do we get a bounce off the standard deviation level? Maybe we do. I will try. I wanted to get in. Bullish. Okay. See that move up. There we go. For some reason it didn't get me on my... Weird. What a weird trade. It didn't get all my accounts right. I don't know what happened. So this is the trade we're currently in at the moment. Could try to get in there again. I might actually cancel it at this point, because let me show you guys why. We have this look here. We did break through it, but kind of have this look too. And so my other accounts had a nice winning trade, but my take profit did not. And that's because sometimes your my take profit accounts are on Trade-Evate and my Apex accounts are on Rhythmic. And sometimes these two different servers will fill, some will fill orders and others won't, and that could be really frustrating. All right, we hit target on this bullish trade here. See what we want to do at this point. We have another upward trend line here that I'm drawing. Okay, so this bullish trade here signaled just hit target. We're now above VWAP, so or we're flirting with it rather at this point. This could be our next bullish trade here, if we close above VWAP. Let's see. Does it want to close above VWAP? Yep, it does. This is going to be our trade if it wants to come down. Okay, we're in. Okay. It's not filling my orders. You guys see that? On my take profit? That was... Something really strange is happening on my take profit accounts at the moment. I don't trust it. Something weird is strange. You guys see me taking 2 winning trades and I'm down $40, right? That's very strange. Very, 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 very strange. Let me investigate real quick. This is so annoying. It has to happen while I'm on the stream, but that's the nature of trading sometimes. Yeah, something strange is happening, Tyler. I don't know. Trying to see what... Because I should have been done with Group A right now, and doesn't look like I am. Try to take a trade just off of my... Yeah, see, look at that. It thinks I'm still over here. The trade still thinks I'm down here for some reason. That's very strange. You guys see that? Really strange. It still thinks I got filled down here. Weird. All right, just to be on the safe side, I don't think I can trade my Trade-Evade accounts today. All right, we'll focus on one of my Apex accounts at the moment. Oh, that's annoying. Let me see if I can message. See if I can message them. See what's going on. Interesting. I was just about to ask you, John, if you're having similar issues. Like, I really don't want to trade right now if I'm having these technical difficulties. John, are you using Trade-Evade on Take Profit, or are you using Rhythmic? I don't know if it's NinjaTrader, John. I think it's the data feed we're getting from the servers, not from Ninja. Oh, your candles aren't even moving. Oh, wow. Okay. That's... yeah, that's bad. gonna check my notice boards and see if there's anything that anybody's talking about. If you're having issues, chances are a lot of people are having issues as well. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna have to cut the stream short. I'm gonna try to call Tradeovate and kind of go from there. Sorry about that. This happens sometimes. Just the nature of trading. We made about $300 in 15 minutes or so on my other accounts. Had the take profit ones worked as well, we would have been sitting real pretty. Anyway, if I log back in, I'll let you guys know. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Wednesday, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one.